How to fix can't hear calls unless speakerphone is on. Hi, it's Andrea here, and on this video I will guide you how to fix can't hear calls unless speakerphone is on. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first thing you have to remember that maybe your device is connected to any Bluetooth devices. That is why this issue has been occurring on your device. For that, you need to simply open the notification shortcut panel at the top of the screen, and here you need to check either there is any Bluetooth devices connected to your device. If not, also you need to simply turn on the Bluetooth, and you have to wait for a while, and once you wait for some new moments, that is 2 to 3 minutes or second, you have to simply toggle on the toggle off the button of Bluetooth again. So once you have done that, your issue will be fixed. If your issue hasn't yet fixed, then what you need to do is you need to simply check whether your volume and the ringtone button is turned on or not. In order to check that, you need to tap or you need to press and hold the volume up button on your phone, and you need to check by tapping on these three dots. As you can see that our ringtone has not been turned on and the media volume is very low. So what you need to do is, with the help of the slider, you need to turn it on. So once you have turned those buttons on, and you need to increase the volumes of the ring and the notifications or the media button, and once done, your can't hear calls issue will be fixed. So lastly, what you need to do is you need to restart your device if all of the above steps is not working. For that, you need to hold the power button on your device, and here is the restart button. With the help of the slider, you need to simply slide up and restart your device. So restarting your device will fix different kinds of issues occurring on a device itself. So in this way, we can easily fix can't hear calls unless the speakerphone is on. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do subscribe our channel, hit the notification bell and like this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.